So today we have this lot of cars, box cars, passenger cars, cargo, and everything. So let's go ahead and start with. We have this fish cargo. This person, I'm gonna call him the collector. He has been buying lots specific toys that are not easy to find. They're hard to find. But look, this is Cali's, or I think this belongs to the Royal Cars or something. Very nice cargo. So he ordered the Solar Fireworks boxcar, and let me show you. Also the troublesome trucks with balloons. Very nice. One is with the red base, and the other one is with the blue color. They're looking nice. So the giggling troublesome truck, and also the set of up and away piercing with the Mr. Bubbles boxcar. Nice set of piercing. Now there are some green boxcars. So this person, the collector, is buying a lot. He bought 200 curved tracks, 70 straight tracks. So I must say thank you to that buyer. Look, there's a red boxcar and a blue boxcar with a fish printed, stamped on the side. And look at this Solar Electric Company car with the spool. Is it a spool with this cable cargo? Very nice set details. You no longer find this. I mean, you can find them, but there's it takes time to find these models, these cards, parts, wherever. And he also ordered a whiff with a garbage car. There is whiff. So I'm going to show you the details. Here everything was explained, and photograph shows these details on the listing. So it's, as you can see, Mattel 2009, this whiff with a garbage car. Very nice details. Models made a long time ago are better than today's. I'm gonna keep saying that. I always like to say that the old models are better than the new ones. So also he ordered Solar Zoo eel tankers. This glow in the dark, the eel tankers glow in the dark. Very nice. So other box cars are also from the same set. This one actually came with Salty Solar Zoo exhibit, something like that. So it does have in the order Solar Zoo box cars, two the same, and let me show you also Solar Quality Pot. Nice. This cargo does not flip. Some other cargos flip. This one is fixed. You cannot flip it. But that's a nice one. Look at this Solar. This is Blue Mountain Quarry. Actually, I was about to say Solar Mountain Quarry. Slate car. Look at the cargo. A lot of details. Yeah, a lot of details on this cargo. You can find this on a big bulky lot if you are looking for this, but you're not looking for other cars that you already have. So if you buy separately, it's better sometimes if you're collecting. So this one is a fling, motorized. All these cards are from Trackmaster 1 or the original Trackmaster models. Now let me show you. here's a good set of southern mining cars. These mining cars does have a flip cargo. Look at that. In one side it looks like it's a gold, and if you flip it, it looks like it's gravel, something like that. Southern Mining Company cars, very nice little cargos. So this one belongs to Ferdinand. This is a brake van. Is it? I think Ferdinand does come with the orange or the same color, but actually I've seen this on Bash. I think it's Bash. Yes. And we have two tankers. One is a fuel tanker, very nice fuel tanker, and the other one is the water tanker, also very nice water tanker. Other thing that he ordered, I put this on 3 together. These are like a royal cards. I was trying to find the cargos for this, but I couldn't, so I just put them all together because they look awesome. All the same, I mean the same stamps. There's some kind of lions and a shield or something with crown on top. All 3 have the same printed logos. Very nice cards. The other one also, it's a 3D face toile. Probably you remember I restored this one. I repainted, the roof was in bad shape, did a little touch up, and it ended up in a good condition. I mean, in good shape. This one, if you know, maybe you remember, this one came in the set of Percy and the rescue, search and rescue car, something like that. Yes, 2 of the same. We're almost done. And express passenger cars. Very nice set. I was lucky to have this, all these models, all these parts, cards, but now it's for the new owner. Thank you to that. I'm gonna call him Collector. I'm not gonna say the name, but it's from California. Now I must say these are the last. Look, Southern Mail speed post, Southern Mail cars with sliding doors, very nice, and 2 of the same in the same listing. I mean, you're never gonna find it. I mean, it's really hard. You will find it on eBay, especially because I'm looking on eBay. Search on eBay. You're never gonna find this on Amazon, only on eBay or maybe garage sale or Facebook marketplace sometimes. But I mean, you can find them in a big lot. What you can find them is these lots are for $500 or 200, 300. But if you're looking for this, you can find them right in those lots. You're not gonna find them by individual listings. Very nice lot. Yeah, so I gotta fill up the box and put all this for our collector. I will say the collector from California. All right.